Good morning. What happened?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Why only 20 are there? What about others? Went to 27, again came down to 20. What happened? Okay. I'll take attendance, that's all. First. Right. Any doubt? So test syllabus, you know this? Do you have any doubts in that? Do you have any doubts? I'll move to next. Case study question also I have told you, innovative also I have told you, and syllabus also I have told you. So last test syllabus is 4th and 5th unit. So now, Hartspul's algorithm I have told you. Let us write the algorithm for this Hartspul's algorithm. Simple algorithm, Hartspul's algorithm. So when we had discussed about the last class, we have written the shift table and we have written the algorithm. So now how to write the algorithm? For example, write the Hartspul's algorithm. Hartspul algorithm. So example, I'll write one. So BMS Institute of Technology. So institute, I'll take this is called the text. This is called the pattern. We need to take the text and the pattern. So we have to check it out, the given pattern is available or not. So now let us write the algorithm for this. We need to write the algorithm for this. So function is nothing but algorithm Hartspul's So you have the text and pattern. So I'll write the first pattern 0 to m minus 1 is called array, comma text is nothing but 0 to n minus 1. This is what the input, whatever you have given. So output will be the index of the left end of the first matching substring or -1 if there is no matching. So here is, for example, even if you have two substrings matching also, it will be matching from left to right. Leftmost string will be displayed. That is what the program works. So even if you have two matches also in a given text, so it will be checking only leftmost. So the index of the left and end of the first matching substring or -1 if there is no existing. So now we have to write first the shift table, write it the shift table. So shift table, what I will do, I'll call the function P of, for pattern you are finding, that is nothing but the P of 0 to m-1. So this is nothing but they generate the table of shift. Generate table of shift. So this one will write one function separately that I will tell you how to generate the functions. Now once you generate the table, now what we have done yesterday is nothing but first is I will be taken I is equal to m-1. I is equal to m-1. So that is nothing but this one. This is length is nothing but I will take m-1. This is nothing but n-1. 0 to n-1. This is nothing but 0 to m-1. Zero to n-1. So right now, what you have to do is while see here m-1 I value. So m-1 is nothing but the total length. I value will be whenever I is less than or equal to n-1. So n is this entire length. I value is nothing but up to n-1 I will be doing. So this is what the condition when to execute the while loop. So I value is nothing but m-1. The total length is n. So I less than or equal to n-1. Then do the process. That means what? Institute is nothing but m-1. So let me say 5. So this is nothing but the 20 if you are having. So this value you can move left to right. So till you get the n-1. Now I'll take one variable called k, that I will be initializing k is equal to 0. One variable I will be taking, that variable is equal to 0. Now what I will do is while k value less than or equal to m-1. So that means what? m-1 is nothing but this one 0. So what I have to do is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to m-1 I can move it. That is what the way of working. So here you have m, here you have m. So k value will be 0. So k value you can increment by 1 by 1, 1 by 1 up to m-1 I can increment it. And so here is P of pattern of. Pattern you are having m-1 minus k. So listen here, m-1 minus k, what we are doing is, so you need to check it out first. The last character we have checked with Harshford's algorithm. Harshford's algorithm is nothing but m-1 location. Initially k is equal to 0. So m minus 1 is nothing but this one, minus 0 will not be. So E will be checking. So that is the reason we are writing P of m minus 1 comma k is equal to. Now what you have done? Now this location E, instead pattern E location, you got it. P of m minus 1 minus k. So now you have to check it out this location also. So that location, how to check it out is nothing but T of text of. What you have written? I is equal to length you have taken. That is nothing but the I minus k. So I minus k. So I is nothing but initially what will happen? Actually, you have to write it a BMS there here on the technology. So total I value is nothing but m minus 1. So that is nothing but text is equal to I minus k. I minus k is I value is nothing but m minus 1. This total length. K is nothing but 0. So that means what will happen? So E and will be checking. First characters will be checking. That is what the condition for this. So this one is do. Are you getting what I'm saying? K value is less than or equal to m minus 1 and P of m minus 1 minus k. So to get the last element in the pattern, so k value 0, m minus 1 is nothing but the last location. In the text also same thing. I value you have taken m minus 1. So I minus k is equal to 0. So total m minus 1, the same location will be checking. First one. So I'll write here also one more example if you want. So here is, for example, if you take BMS. So suppose if you are taking, initially we'll take like this one, you know. So this is nothing but m minus 0 to m minus 1. This is nothing but 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1. So I value what I have written is m minus 1. So m minus 1 is nothing but this one. So this location. So that is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is nothing but the 8 location. Now k value you have taken 0. So now 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. So that is nothing but this location you will be getting into the text task. Now this location is nothing but pattern. So now if you are able to write this statement, your program almost 90% got over. So do O is there, so space is not visible here. So that is what the do. Next, once it is finished, what you have to do is, so these two, if it is not matching, you have to decrement by 1. So that is nothing but you have to get it to like this. So that is nothing but you have taken k. So for that k is equal to k plus 1. K is equal to k plus 1. That's all your program. Now write it if k is equal to m, return I minus m plus 1. So if it is true, I minus m plus 1. Else I is equal to I plus table of T of I. Else, if k is equal to m means I is equal to I minus m plus 1. That means what will happen? In this case, E is possible, then TT will be checking for that purpose. If it is not that purpose, you are going to the shift table. How many tables you have to move it that one if it is not matching. So in this example, E and E is not matching, I is available. So 1, 2, 3, 4 shifts should be done. That is the reason else. So now if this is all are not possible, return minus 1. So anyone should be executing. So this is what your program. So any doubts, any statement, just we have to generate the shift table. I is equal to minus 1 you are taking. So entire text length is nothing but 0 to n minus 1 given text. Pattern is equal to 0 to m minus 1. So initially k is equal to 0. So using that 0, I will be taking the text last element. I want to take it out. How to take it out? The last element is nothing but pattern of m minus 1 minus k. Initially 0. So that is nothing but how much length is there. So that location I will be taking is equal to t of I value is nothing but already we have taken m minus 1. So that is nothing but the whatever the text length. So there also we are writing t of I minus k. So I minus k in the sense. So what will happen? So last location of the text will be taken. So it will be checking that if that both are true, return k is equal to k plus 1. So if k is equal to m, that's what return I minus m plus 1. Else I is equal to moving to the shift table. Now I need to write the shift table for this. I'll write the shift table here. Simple only, I'll write it here on the shift table. Algorithm shift table. Shift table. So you have passed the parameters p of 0 to m minus 1. So this table, how to write it is nothing but for j is equal to 0 to m minus 2 do. So what you have to write is, in this case, table of, how to write, that is nothing but table of p of j, that is nothing but that location is equal to what total length is nothing but m minus 1 minus j. That's all. P of j is equal to m minus 1 minus j. That's all. Return table. That's all your program. Simple Haskell's algorithm. No need to by heart the any code in this case. No need to by heart the code. If you have any doubt, please you can ask me. So just the locations, whatever you are storing, you have to take it. You know how to take the string values. I'll tell you when I'm telling the program. So just this much code only you have to learn it. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 to 7 lines of the code. Table, you know how to write it. I told you how to write it also. Total m minus 1 minus j. So for that, you write it the table. So automatically the table will be stored into this one and you will be returning to this one. So this is statement already I have told you how to execute, when to execute. I value is less than or equal to n minus 1. So I value are incrementing by 1 by 1, the table values will be going. So if it is not matching, shifting up to n minus 1, m minus 1, I can go for that. So here is while I is less than or equal to n minus 1, do. So this statement, I value, I can move up to n minus 1, do. So k is equal to initially 0. This already I have told you twice how to write it. K is less than or equal to m minus 1 and p of m minus 1 minus k, the last location. In the text, the corresponding element how to take is nothing but I minus k. So if both are matching, k is equal to k plus 1. Now what will happen? So k plus 1 is nothing but 1. So m minus 1 minus 1. So m minus 2 will happen. So m minus 2 is nothing but t will be checking. So like this will be moving. If it is not happening, if it is not matching these conditions, then it will be go to the further table. So all these things will be checking. If this is not matching, finally while statement is not matching, then return minus 1. So it will be return minus 1, string is not matching. String not matching means finally minus 1. That's all. Any doubts now? Haskell's algorithm? Any statement, any character, if you are having doubt, please tell me. So remaining is program is same only. Only thing is string, you know how to take it, and pattern how to take it. So scanner, percentage of yes, no address location, directly you are taking text and directly pattern. So the same statement you will be writing here. That's all. Shall I move to next? Right. So now, simple program here. Just I'll tell this, then I'll stop. Write the sorting by distribution method. Right. So what I told you, sorting by distribution counting. Sorting by distribution counting. So example, write the values 13, same values, write it 11, 12, 13, 12 and 12. And the array values array values 11, 12, 13. Frequencies 1, 3, 2. Distribution values So now this is what the given problem. We need to find the solution. Distribution values is nothing but 1, 4, 6. Right. Sorting by counting 13, 11, 12, 13, 12, 12. So array values is nothing but 11, 12, 13. Frequency is nothing but 1, 3, 2. Distribution values is nothing but 1, 4, 6. So frequencies we are not bothering for this because 11 value how many times repeated in the array? Only one time. So next is 12 is repeating 3 times, that one, this one. 13 is repeating 2, that is what the frequencies. So we are not considering these values, just given the values, don't bother for this. How many times the value got repeated in the given problem, that's it. So now let us solve the problem. Now just how I am writing the similar fashion, you write it, give some space also, otherwise listen, then you copy it. Anyway, it will take 2 minutes, just listen, so you will come to know the space of these things, then you copy. So first listen. So this is called the distribution table. Distribution table is nothing but 0 to 2, and they array values you are storing 0 to 5 values. How many values are there? 5. Now write it A of 5. So that is nothing but, this is nothing but the A 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A of 5 is equal to, you have 12. A of 4 is equal to 12. A of 3 is equal to 13. A of 2 is equal to 12. A of 1 is equal to 11. A of 0 is equal to 13. That is what the given values have written. Now the distribution values, whatever you have written here, distribution values, you have to write it correspondingly this. Right. Distribution values in a given table, they have given 1, 4, 6. Write it 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Now the given table S values, that is nothing but the S are so output values. Now write the how many locations are there? 0 to 5 locations. Write it the 5 locations. 5 locations you need to write it. This is nothing but the 0 location, first location, second location, third location, fourth and fifth. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you can move to a classroom, then you can. Huh? Tomorrow you can give it.
No, sir. After exam means Saturday. 7th number, sir. Yeah, 7 number is our last exam. No?
Then tomorrow you give it. Tomorrow evening you can take. Now tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
So today is no class, no, sir.
Okay. Right. So you will record this also. Huh? I'll talk to you
Which
later.
chapter number, sir?
You call me later.
Thank you, sir.
Right, sir. So write the values, table values here. So here is correspondingly put the lines. Right. Now just I'll call one person who will call Spurti. Spurti is Spurti. You are not there. Manisha. Manisha. See, if you people are not copying this problem, you will not understand later. I am telling you. See, just you are connected and you are doing some other job. Manisha. Harshit. Manisha. Okay. So now, see the table here. Can you able to see? So distribution table, what is the values you are having? 1, comma. Distribution table. Manisha.
Sir,
Not
Arjun.
responding.
Sir, Arjun.
Arjun. Right, sir.
Sir, distribution values 146, sir.
146 is there. So now table here is what is the value we are considering? We have to consider the like this reverse order. You have to consider. Okay. What is the first value in this case? A of 0. If A of 5.
12, sir.
A of 5 is how much?
12.
Can you speak a bit loudly? I am not able to hear.
Yes, sir. 12, sir.
12 is there. So 12 is nothing but what is the distribution?
4, sir.
4. So now you write it here. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4th location. So that is nothing but the how much value 12 we have to write it, and distribution is called 4. So if you once you enter that value, there is no space. So subtract the distribution by 1. So that is nothing but the 3. So remaining values copy it as it is. Once again, I'll tell you. See here, other people
Sir,
also.
fourth location is last, right, sir? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you wrote on third location.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here is, 1 second, I'll tell you. They have taken here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because
Why,
the distribution table they have not given 0.
Okay, sir.
Distribution values. What is the starting value?
1, sir.
Arjun.
1, sir. 1,
What
sir.
is the end value?
6, sir.
6. That's what I have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you
Yes, sir.
starting with 0, even if you write it also, that is waste only, because the distribution they have done 1, 4, 6 they have given. Lowest value is nothing but 1, highest value is nothing but 6. So write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you write, you will get confusion. So let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have written the values also. Now next value is how much?
12, sir.
Yeah, 4. So 12 distribution previously how much now?
3, sir.
Second row 12 distribution value is how much? Here,
3,
I'm
sir.
showing
3.
the cursor. 3 is there. So third location you have to write it now 12. So third location you have to write it to 12 and decrement by 1. That value is 2.
Sir, each time we have to decrement, right, sir?
Huh?
Each time we have to decrement.
Not getting what you are saying. You speak bit loudly.
Yes, sir. Sir, like after 4, you took like 3. After 3,
Yeah.
you are taking 2. So each time we have to decrement 1, 1.
Yes, yes, yes. Each time, because once you enter it in third location, I cannot use it later now.
Okay, sir.
So that is the reason decrement by 1. So now 12 over. What is the next value?
2,
Yeah,
sir.
3 is how much? 13. 13 distribution table. What is the value?
6, sir.
6 is there. Now what you have to do? Sixth value,
We
sixth
have to
position
place
you
on distribution.
enter it 13 and sixth value decrement by 1. So 6 minus 1, that is nothing but the 5. Remaining values as it is, you copy it. Right. Now this value got over and this value got over, this value got over. What is the next value?
I 1, sir. I is equal to 1.
Huh? 12. So 12
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but your distribution previously 2 you are having. So second location you assign it first, the value is nothing but 12 and decrement by 1 now. 2 minus 1, that is nothing but the 1. Remaining values as it is, you copy it. 1, 5. Next, yeah of 1 is equal to how much now? Yes, that is the reason I have written left hand side. You can take this values also.
11, sir, actually it is.
11 is there. So 11 is nothing but which location that one?
1, sir. Distribution
First
value is 1.
location only. So right here 11 and now that should be decremented by 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. Remaining values copy it as it is. Next, what is the next value? A of 0 is equal to
13, sir.
13. 13 is nothing but the last location. This one. 13 distribution is nothing but 6 is there. 6 became 5 now. So 5 minus 1.
4, sir.
5 value, write it first. So 13. So 13, it will become 5 minus 1. That is nothing but the 4. So that is nothing but 4, 1, 0. Sure. Till now I used pen properly. Now I'll rewrite this once again. 4, this is nothing but 1, this is nothing but 0. Now final answer, after storing this, you have 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13. This is what the sorting order according to the distribution. This is also one method is there, sorting by distribution. Simple. So only 1 or 2 times they have asked the examination. So but no problem. This is what the way of writing the example. So same problem only they will give in the examination also. If they are giving Otherwise, teacher has to solve it and give it to them now. So they will not take that much risk. So solved out problem only they will give it.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I had one issue today. So could you please explain once again?
Okay, no problem. So here is, I'll tell you once again, array values, I have copied it here, A of 5, A of 4, A of 3, A of 2, A of 1, A of 0. We are coming from the reverse order distribution here. So first value is called 12. So 12 is nothing but, distribution is nothing but 4. So fourth location you displayed here 12. Now, once you display this, the space cannot be used in the array locations. That is the reason you are decrementing by 1. 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. Now, remaining values copy it as it is here. So that is what they write it. Even down, you can write it the first iteration. I'll tell you. Okay. Element is A of 5 is equal to 12. So 12 distribution is is 4. Distribution is 4. So element should be element placed in fourth position. So after placing this, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 distribution, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So these 3 should be copied to the next row. That's what. After placing 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So that I have written it here. So you will come to know that one. So which way you want to write it, you can write it. So here is distribution. This is original values I have taken. Destination values I have taken. This is what this sorting by counting. One value I have written A of 5 is equal to 12. 12 distribution is in the table is called 4. So element placed in the fourth position. Even if you want, you can write it 12 element. 12 element placed in fourth position. After placing 4 minus 1, that is nothing but the 3. So distribution values. So this is nothing but the distribution table. How you got? From table. Then you can write it from table. From table, you got it. So any doubt distribution by counting now? Anybody is having doubt, please let me know this. Arjun?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. What about others? See, you have to listen entire class, then only you can be able to do it. If you are not listening, you cannot do it. Algorithms also, such a simple algorithms are available here. Only thing is, once you know how to solve the problem. Without solving the problems, you cannot write any algorithm, I'm telling you. Even Hart's algorithm also I told you, no need to by heart anything. Just first string length and second string length, if you know this, shift table, one loop, just you are writing, that's all. Next is one I variable 1 and k variable 1 you are taking. With the remaining, we are putting into the 2 loops, that's it. Nothing is there. How to access pattern location, how to access the text location. So pattern location is nothing but m minus 1 minus k, and the text location is nothing but I minus k. That's it. So k value is incrementing, automatically the location will be decremented by 1. That is what you will be doing. So nothing, no need to by heart any programs. So you should know how to solve the problems. Once you know how to solve the problems, automatically you can write the problems. Even next dynamic programming is there. In that 4 problems are there, 3 laboratory programs. That's it. It will get over your laboratory programs once if I complete this chapter. Only then NQN problem will be there. That is last chapter. Last chapter only one problem, that is called NQN problem. Next class, after internals, I will start dynamic programming. Here one more algorithm left out, that is called Boyce-Moore algorithm and hashing functions. 2 topics are available that I'll tell you after dynamic programming, because there 4 laboratory programs are there. I have to cover the laboratory programs first, then I'll come back to this one. Once if I complete laboratory related programs, then I'll come here, because Boyce-Moore algorithm is similar to Haskell's algorithm only. That I'll tell you, don't worry. Okay, that's it. So save the Arjun.
Sir?
So last class
Yeah,
I
sir.
sent it PDF, no?
No, sir, I didn't got it.
Last class.
Sir. Sir, case study you sent, sir.
Last class, that's what PDF, whatever I have done in the class, I have sent it to PDF.
Sir. Yeah, sir.
Huh?
So came
Yeah,
so.
sir.
Came so.
So the similar way I will send it from today onwards. The notes also you can see it wherever you are having doubt. So today whatever I have done it. See here. What is the date today? 4, no? 4 where? This one. So like this you will be getting the so this I'll send it once again. Okay?
Yeah, sir.
I'll send it to your mail IDs today or now only. Like PDF, I'll send it. After taking attendance, I'll send it so that you can keep that notes. Answer your attendance. Have you executed yesterday program, lab program? Arjun? Spurti?
Yes, sir, I executed.
What about others? Spurti?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Executed the same day only you finished record also. Okay? That's what my request. So if you are doing same day, you will not have any problems only. Right? 411. One reset number 1. Answer your attendance 1. 2. Reset number 2. Abhinav. 1 also absent, 2 also absent. 3.
Present, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6. 7.
Present, sir.
8. Ashok. 9.
Sir, present, sir. Arbaz.
Arbaz present. Okay. Ashok. 8. 9. Bennett. 10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15. 16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, 24, Kishore, 26, 25, Lata, present.
25
26,
present, sir.
all right, 20, Manisha, but she has got connected morning, okay, center. 27, Manjuna,
Yes, sir.
28, Naina, 29, Nilanjan, 30,
30 present, sir.
31, TD series 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5, 6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8, 8, Rakesh, 9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Yes, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14, Savita, 15, 16.
Present, sir.
Savita is there, but she's not responding. 16,
Present, sir.
17, 18, 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir. Sir, 1BY9 present, sir.
1 by 9 you are telling madam now, huh? 1 by 9.
So Savita is present, but her mic was not working.
Given Savita given.
Okay, sir.
Right. So I'll send it that problem also. Now today onwards I will send it because you can refer it and you can learn it.